This one is little challenging. I want you to download this PSD file from your resource, open it, and you'll find the squares like this with the different numbers. And if you open your layers panel, you can hit F7 to open your layers panel, or you can go to window and say layers and just expand this layer panel like this. If it is collapsed like this, just drag it and expand it, and you have all the layers named as per the number of the square, and you can simply click on that particular layer to select that. Now this canvas, this document is of 900 pixel vertical and 900 pixel horizontal. Each of this block is 300 pixels square. So all you have to do is set these 9 blocks in such a way that they, in their numerical order, they fit exactly like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, the 9 blocks. So let me show you the first 2 blocks. So I'll go to layer 1, and temporarily you can make all other layers invisible for the moment. Just click on the eye icon and the layer will not be seen. So we have just one layer 1 visible over here. And now I'll say Control and T to this. Remember, my layer 1 is selected. All other layers are invisible by clicking on this icon. Now I'll say Control and T to this, and I get these handles. So first thing I want to do is fit this one in this corner. That means it should be 0, 0, X and Y. And for that, first thing I have to do is take the reference point and drag it to the top left. And now I can set 0 and 0. That's block 1, and just click outside and it will fit over there. If you're using the older version, hit enter. Now I'll come to number 2. So click on the number 2 block, the layer, select the layer, and now I'll say Control and T to this. For this also, I'll set the reference point in the top left corner, and now you have to play a little tricky over here. So I want to fit this at 300x and 0y. So let's do that. I'll say 300x and 0y, and it is exactly gone to its place. Just click outside or hit enter on the keyboard. Now you have to take number 3, and that should be 600 by 0. And then when you come to 4, the 4 should be at 44. Again, select the layer 4 and say Control T on that. Set your reference point at the top left, and as far as the values are concerned, it should be 300 on Y and 0 on X. Similarly, you have to set all these 9 blocks, and I hope you'll enjoy this.